Okay, so I'm going to pick up where I left off with the last video was how to use Jasper AI to write a YouTube title. And then I kind of added on and picked up that ranks. And I'm going to pluralize that. That ranks. Put this in there. And listen it down as a productivity hack. Okay, so I have already put that title in right here and the video that I just finished. So, but now I'm at the part where I want to write descriptions. So I want to add a description in here. So I'm going to go over to Jasper AI and I'm going to copy paste and put in that title. Okay, how to use Jasper AI to write YouTube titles that rank. I think I was right the first time, so let me go back and change that. That rank. Okay. YouTube titles that rank productivity hack. Okay. So I'm going to put the same bit of kind of keyword solopreneur, home, base, business. I'll put that in there because I'm going to try to get ranked for that. And then maybe one person business. See how those go. Again, I want to be informational. Okay. All right. And my output of 6. And let's see what type of description it comes up for me. So I'm going to hit generate. And there we go. This basically says in this. So the very first one, if you click it, it'll open it up. So you can see in this video, you'll learn how to use Jasper AI to write YouTube titles that rank. Also, you'll also learn how to be more productive and get more done in less time. So that's a good one. So say, are you looking for productivity hack for a productivity hack to help you write better YouTube titles? Check out this video to learn how to use Jasper to help you write titles that rank well on YouTube. Okay, that's a very good one. So I'm going to copy that for a second because I like that one. And I'm going to go over here to YouTube and paste. Look at that. See what else? Put a space in between. Go back over to Jasper and look at what else maybe I can add on to this. In this video, you'll learn how to use Jasper titles that rank. This is a program that will help you get more views and grow your business. We could maybe possibly use part of that. So as I'm looking through here, I'm kind of looking at what it has spit out for me. Just also always remember that anything it spits out that you like, you can give it a thumbs up, a thumbs down on it. You can actually open in a document. You can put it on a clipboard, or you can just add it to your favorites so you can, basically spin out some more that you don't like, or that you might like if you don't like any of these. So that's pretty much it. That shows you how I can use this to write a quick description. Let's see, that was something else. Let's see. Yep, that's it. So I hope you enjoy that quick little video to show you how to use it to now write your video descriptions. You can also just keep going and add more, and it will continue to write more content quickly for you so that you can just copy paste and put it over. It's done in seconds. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.